Guys, picture of the week was brought to you by Federal Signal Corporation, warning citizens since 1952. Okay, for today's picture of the week, you have something a little different. It's not a siren, it's a steam engine. It's a triple expansion steam engine. I just got the idea of some inspiration just drawn, looking at some steampunk pictures and stuff. Start out with drawing the gears, and then this kind of took off. I actually started the drawing upside down, and drew this is the first gear, and drew the gears right side up, which would become upside down. But now this is upside down, and that's right side up. You get that? Okay. So there's the gears. This one's my favorite. Right there. Then we'll turn it right side up, and then there's the triple expansion steam engine. This one actually has a lot of dimension in it, I think. These two things are up front where you're standing, and this is in the back. The I-beams are kind of messed up, but whatever. And then this is my second favorite part. Actually, this is my really favorite part, is the gauges right here. As you can see, I like the lines there for the glass. And then there's the other one. And then there are little levers there. And the big steam valve.